So, Tuesday. Woke up, didn't want to get out of bed. But there's a Pokemon Go raid going on up the street from me for an Alakazam, so I was like, well, I'll go get that Alakazam. And I don't know. That's kind of it for that day. Then, Wednesday. I don't know, I must just be watching like a lot of TV or something online. I'm not really doing much, since I don't want to bike around in the snow. But, it's like kind of okay. But anyways, it's the last bike repair class. Technically. Because, our 11 weeks, this is week 11. And, cleaning up our bikes again, and everybody's like tuning up minor problems that we had. Probably gonna miss going to this thing. It feels more like a bike club. So that was fun. And Jerry told us a lot about the times that he got hit by a car and like dealing with insurance and lawyers and stuff. Kind of interesting. Also worked on my other bike, but I forgot to film any of that. And it's in a lot better shape now. So, yeah. Pretty good time overall. And, I don't know. I'm just heading home now. So, yeah. Peace out.